I have a work experience of total 6 years, and I took a break of 2 years. Post 2 years, when I wanted to rejoin work and wanted to get back to my full-time career, I faced many challenges. Like, I was being compared to normal regular people. So there were challenges, and at that point in time I thought it's better to get back with a bang, with after like upgrading myself, upskilling myself, and then to re-enter. This 1 year at SPJIMR will definitely help me, and I do suggest others as well, all the women who are there, and to get out of the comfort zone and take this rigorous schedule, get into a mode of working and upskill yourself and join back the career. When I decided to return to full-time career, I mean, there were many challenges. The one basic challenge what I faced was interviewers were always skeptical about taking me as a candidate, because they always wanted some explanation from my side that why I took a break. They never took this break as a positive note. It was always for them how well I can explain them, and that made my morale somewhere very down, and that was the basic challenges that I faced. This is a full-time 1 year residential program, and there were many challenges when I decided to join this program, because I'm not from Mumbai, so I had to decide everything from my maid to my spouse to my parents, and all support systems that I have. So it's considering the program's rigorous schedule, the program is quite tough, but somehow it molds you for your better work life ahead. I definitely see a change in my family members. They have been supporting me for last so many months, and I'm still very hopeful, and I do understand that after this 1 year of rigorous program and there's so much of support, this will end up in a very good note, and one day I'll definitely make them proud. I definitely think that SPJIMR, this 1 year APG-MPW course will help me to meet my career aspirations, because I have been interacting with many people whom I do not know. We are being coached by various people. We have been in good terms with industry mentors, so we know how to carry on the conversation and what are the basic ethics and things required to be in an interaction and be in a good position, right from a top business people to a bottom business people. So this has given me an opportunity and a confidence which will help me to definitely get back to career and have a successful career there. My message for all the women who are on break right now would be just to have a self-confidence, have faith in yourself, and aspire high. May whatever come, and have all your support systems with you, and definitely there's something waiting for you.